Switchgear week 2. This is the Switchgear of the week. We got some 5 GM SG 63 KAIC gear that came in with the breakers. Some 3000 amp, 2000 amp, and 1200 amp breakers and cells with PTs or VTs and CPT drawers. Just wanted to show y'all this type of gear. This is a series of Switchgear weeks. This is week 2, like I said. Open one of these doors up. Here's a CPT drawer. Open up the door. Let's see the cell. Back of the door. And the MOC and TOC. Really clean gear we got here. Got all the breakers up there on the shelf. You can see. I'm trying to fill up this other warehouse we have. And we got a lifting truck, and there's a 3000 amp cell, and some other sections of the gear with the maintenance box there for the side of the gear. Anyway, y'all take care. We'll see you next time on the next week's video of Switchgear of the Week.